Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetrading.system.com making this video about gold. So let's get started. This is a gold weekly chart. This is a bigger picture just to see what the heck is happening. After finishing this wave 3, A, B, C correction wave 4, and then we started to go to wave 5, and I was hoping that it will end here. Then so not okay, no problem here, maybe here, keep going. Right. So this is wave 1, 2, and then this wave 3 became very, very extended. And finally, we all the way went to the 3,500 and then drop a little bit from there. So we're supposed to come down here, like, this much at least as wave 4, but we are here stuck, right? And then just wobbling. And that's exactly what happened usually in wave 4. Very, very typical, right? So on a daily chart, let's say, this is what's happening. So 3,500 here, then ABC correction, then we went up there, and then this. So I think that this is wave 4, finish one, excuse me, my hiccups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then wave 5 is starting to go to the upside. And this could be like wave 1, 2, and then small wave 1 and 2 right now, right? So we have here, we just drop a little bit. So let's take a look at the 4-hour chart, and this is how it is. So this could be like big wave 1 and 2, right? And here it says that like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then wave 5, and that on. So that's also possible. But on a bigger scale, if you look at it, we can say that okay, this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, and this is like some kind of like wave 2, the zigzag ABC. Then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, NABC, a small one, right? This is small one is a part of the big one, wave 3. So now this is if oh man, mosquito just bit me bad. For example, here I'm gonna mark this as wave 1, and and let's say if we say this one is wave 2, right, of wave 5 that we are going for, whatever. But this is like big wave 1, 2. So we need to get another wave. Wave 3 this count, right? And out of that, wave 3 will have 5 waves in it, right? So this is like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would say this is going to be like wave 1, the Roman count, and then this can be 2, right? And now we might be going to the upside, slowly to the upside. So this is like wave 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then this wave 3. But right now, what the drama is happening here is very important. So let's go take a look at the shorter time frame, which is my 1,000 box size chart. This is what's happening, right? So you came down here. This could be like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and it may go down for wave 5 all the way here below this a little bit, right? And if not, and if we may go, let's draw the flip from here to here, right? Let's see what happens. This is wave 4 is always very typical, and if it is not wave 4, it's wave 1 and 2. Then we just go. We need to go to the upside very fast. So let's see what happens. So now this is a flip from here to here. We hit 50%. And this low here, right? So 50% usually sees a nice trend line hit, so it's going to have a reaction a little bit. And that little bit can take us back to 23% line. So usually 50 to 23 calls for 88, which is coming into this area, these highs and lows, right? Where's the other number here? So that is one possibility. Even if we drop a little bit, we may not go below 23% line here. All right, so 23% line is 33.13. If you look something there, 33.13. So we have, we don't have it, right? So it's 33, 23, what the heck is that? 33, 20, 30. The 20 is the last one, right? So 33.13, that's 33. 3306 is the one that the closest that I can see. 3306. That would be, let's see, on the $1,000. 33. This is, what is it? Oh, 3306 is right there. So it's just a little bit below then 23% line. So it may come down here, right? And then bounce. That's a possibility. Or it may just drop to 23% line, then go to the upside and then move to the upside for wave, the higher time frame. Wave three, of three. Wave three of this wave three. Right? So this wave three started like wave one, two, and then three, four, five. That would be ending wave three of this count. Then we will drop a wave four and wave five, so on and so forth. So on again, daily chart is this. So this is like a big wave four. Now this is wave one, two, and wave three for this. If this is wave one and two, so let's see wave three, which is usually comes to like 161% of wave one. So this would be here. So this wave three will be going here, 3651, right? If we are going to go to the upside, first of all. I mean, maybe, right now the conditions, Trump, Elon Musk, what's happening, and, with China meeting in London, a lot of different things happening at the same time, and anything is possible, right? So be very careful. So if we are going to go to the upside, then this calls for like 161 is here, according to this flip, and then this would be 1, 2, and then we gotta go here. It's like 3, 4, and 5. Small 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5 will be ending 161 here, right? More or less. I'm just theory is 161. So that would be wave 3. This is going to be wave 1, 2, 3, and then we will drop for wave 4, maybe this high or this high, and then go up again one more time for wave 5. If USD continue getting weaker, right? So USD, you know that well, not this one, man. This is my FIP. US, I don't have it here. Huh. How do I convert this? I don't have the USD monthly chart here, unfortunately. I don't. Okay, so let me just quickly. What was that? Okay, whatever it is. Load template and look for USD monthly, the last chart, which is May 3. That's the last one? May 10. Okay, May 10. I'll work with that. Here. So this is, you see, this is what it is. So I was expecting that from here, we're going to be coming down here. So we are doing that. But, at the same time, we are pushing back to the upside, right? Both sides, fighting very, very hard right now. So we are very close. So we need to come and to this and touch to this outer tier, the blue outer tier, right? So we already poke into the inner tier, but the outer tier is still untouched, and that is also 61%. It's a big, big number here, right? Just below that, by the way, so it's 0219. So if continue dropping, then yeah, that is possible that we can go, because USD weakness usually cause the strength in gold, or the prices of gold higher, right? So let's see. So this is what my take is, that right now we are below this number here. We are whatever we are now. We are at 33.25. We may go back to 33.06, or maybe right here 33.13, and then be ready. It may go to the upside. The only trade that I had in this one today was like in gold. Was this one here, from here to here, right? So if there's nothing, then all you gotta do is just wait for your proper entry, and then if you have an entry, where the heck is the trade? Not here. This is a different broker, but let me see if I can. Where the heck that thing is? But that's the only trade I have. There's no other trade at all. The market is so dead. I had a USD yen short, but it went like 60, 70 pip positive, and then boom, came back and hit my accelerated break even. So that's, yeah, so that's what the trade was. It's like from 200 box size, 160 pip. This is the entry. This is the close. That's it. So here I close because of that stupid teal there coming in the way. Right. So now from there it's dropping right now, and let's see how far it's gonna drop, and we take it from there. All right. So pay attention to this one. I'm gonna make the chart and post on my Telegram for my subscribers. This video I'll make it public so everybody else can take advantage of. If you don't have the system, and if you want to get the system and to make the entries, the precise entries like me, then go on my website and get it from there. Website is this creativetradingsystems.com. Right. So go there and sign up. Either one-on-one coaching. You 10-hour Zoom course online with me over the Zoom, and I'll make you master of this all mumbo jumbo, the whole trading business, including harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, this, that. For example, harmonic patterns. So how I'm watching those, for example, Elliott wave count and all that you saw. But there are some places where you don't have Elliott wave, but the harmonic patterns are very good, and solid patterns are available to pay attention and then take trades from there. For example, this one, right? So I made this chart for my subscriber. I gave it to them. So what's happening here? We are here. See this 78% exactly this black line, and we hit that, and we got kind of like a stopping there, right? If we stop here, so this pattern usually the reaction goes to this TL, and by the time we get to this TL from here to here, yen pairs will probably move like 400 to 500 pip altogether, maybe in a few days. So that's how you have a good opportunity watching these indexes, and obviously, watching these harmonic patterns. These are like basic harmonic calculation of the Fib tool, right? So that's why, I mean, I have like, courses, Fibonacci course and harmonic pattern course, not Fibonacci course, I mean, Elliott wave course, where I explain that how, how you must use this tool properly in order to find the turning points, the good, proper, perfect turning points, right? So the game is like Elliott wave or harmonic pattern or any other calculation. The base tool that we use is Fibonacci tool. We have two different kind of tool, but three different ways to use them: extension, expansion, and retracement. Right? What number comes after what number? What number comes after what number? You must know that. If not, then you are like with a knife in a jungle. You want to be with the Uzi in a jungle, right? A machine gun, not the knife. You can't go do anything against the lion with knife, right? so, so knowledge is like a machine gun, right? So you have a machine gun in your hand. It doesn't matter if a 10 lion attack you, you take care of them. Right? So if you know exactly that this Fibonacci tool, you have a machine gun, and then you can go in a jungle without any problem, and you will still win. Okay, so this is how it is. So anyway, don't forget about. Forget about that. Don't pay attention to this date. It's old date. I need to change the charts and all of that. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video because the TL, it was dropping. What the heck happened to my goal? Oh, I changed that. Oh, okay. So gonna go back to this gold chart, and I hope things are clear. So that TL dropping, just pay attention to that. And you see that it start to drop. This is a 500 box size chart. So this is my 1000, and it's now dropping. This is like wave 1, 2, 3. This could be wave 4, and we can go all the way here for wave 5. Right? It bounced from here as wave 3, exactly from 127x expansion. Right? And if it is going for wave 5, it will easily come down here. Okay. So, and that would be 3280 something. I don't know. Yeah, 3280. Is there any number? The 3282. 3291 is right there. 3269. 32. Yeah, that would be the good one. 3290. 3285. So the price can come all the way down here. Or, like I said, that it may drop here, and then 23% line. Maybe Trump is going to say something, or maybe Musk is going to say something, or maybe the news from China, something can happen, and then boom, it start to go to the upside. All right, so be very careful about these fundies and these, the news channels. What kind of news we're going to get. weird news are coming all over the world, right? So Russia, Ukraine, you know that, right? Russia, Putin says they'll wipe it out. So now, what the heck? There's a nuclear war starting. Big things happening, right, all around us, right? So that would be affecting gold big time, right? So be very, very careful, and I'll take it from there, right? Like I said, that if you want to become master, go on my website here, sign up for one-on-one course, and start from there. I have few opening right now as I finish over the weekend, few of them, right? So, but usually one-on-one goes, for like a month, right? Before I finish all those 10 hours. So, every week I have something finishing, maybe 2 or 3, and then I take more, 2, 3 people, like more. I can't take 10, 12, 15 people at the same time, right? So if you want to really get it, then hurry up, because if the spot is filled, so I'm not gonna get it. Right. So this is it for now. Let's see what happens in Go. And if one of these area give us a bounce, or we're gonna drop, like I said, watch this one, maybe 23% line. That will give us a bounce and then go to the upside. But this is what I think, that wave 1, 2, and then again wave 1, 2, followed by 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So this is it for now. And let's see. We'll have a very, very wonderful trading week.